Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about some problems from chapter 11 Life Mathematics. Okay. My dear student, your first question is a factory produce 275 cans of drink per minute. A factory produces 275 cans of drink per minute. How many cans of drink can it produce in 100 minutes? My dear students, all these questions depend on the unitary method. Solution of the given question is: in 1 minute factory produce 275 cans. Now in 100 minutes factory will produce 275 into 100, it will give to you 27,500 cans. 27,500 cans is your required answer for given question. Okay. Your second question is: a furniture company produce 828 chairs in 9 days. Okay. A furniture company produce 828 chairs in 9 days. How many chairs does it produce in 12 days? My dear student, the solution of the given question is: in 9 days furniture company produce 828 chairs. Okay. In 9 days furniture company produce 828 chairs. Now in 1 day furniture company will produce 828 upon 9 chairs. The meaning is when you find out the value of 1 unit. So when you find out the value of 1 unit, then we will apply the division procedure. So in this step I will apply the division procedure. 828 upon 9 chairs. After division you will get 92 chairs. Okay. 92 chairs company will produce in 1 day. Okay. Now again your required question is: in 12 days. In 12 days furniture company will produce in 12 days furniture company will produce 92 into 12. The meaning is when you find out the value of more than 1 unit. When you find out the value of more than 1 unit, so we will apply the multiplication procedure. So in this question we will find out in 12 days furniture company will produce how many chairs. So we will apply the multiplication procedure. This is 92 into 12. Now what is the product for 92 into 12? Now look here. 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18, 2 1 ja 2 and 9 1 ja 9. After adding you will get 4 plus 0, it will give to you 4. 8 plus 2 10, this is 0, carry over is 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 9 11. So in 12 days furniture company will produce 1104 chairs. In 12 days furniture company will produce 1104 chairs. Okay. This is the required answer for your required question. Again, my dear student, your next question is: this question is very easy. David works at a fast food restaurant. David works at a fast food restaurant. He is paid rupees 60 per hour. In a certain week he worked for 4 days and was paid rupees 1440. How many hours did he work in that week? How many hours did he work in that week? My dear student, this question we will apply the division procedure. Now solution of the given question is: rupees 60 is paid for 1 hour. Rupees 60 is paid for 1 hour. Okay. Now David will get total amount is rupees 1440. So rupees 1440 will be paid for what we will do 1440 upon 60. So after division we will get 1440 upon 60. This is 6 and this is 14. 6 2s are 12. The meaning is 60 2s are 120. 4 minus 0 4. 4 minus 2 2. We can note down next number. Next number is 0. So 64 is 240. Remainder is 0. The meaning is rupees 1440 will be paid for 24 hours. Okay. The meaning is rupees 1440 will be paid to David for 24 hours. 24 hours is your required answer. Okay. Again, my dear student, your next question is the cost of fencing is rupees 3800 for every 100 meter. The cost of fencing is rupees 3800 for every 100 meters. How much does it cost to fence a rectangular field measuring 600 meter by 400 meter? My dear student, this is the rectangular field and length is 600 meter and breadth is 450 meter. Okay. In this question we will find out the length of the fencing. So for finding length of fencing, for finding length of fencing, we will apply the parameter of rectangular field. This equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into length is 600 meter and breadth is 450 meter. Length is 600 meter, length is 600 meter and breadth is 450 meter. After adding you will get 1050 meter into 2. 1050 into 2, it will give to you 2100 meter. The meaning is 2100 meter is total length of the fencing. Okay. 2100 meter is total length of the fencing. Okay. Now we will find out the cost of the fencing. What is the condition? The cost of fencing of 100 meter is rupees 3800. The cost of fencing of 100 meter is rupees 3800. So we will find out the cost of fencing of 1 meter will be. This question we will apply the unitary method for finding the value of 1 unit. For finding the value of 1 unit, we will apply the division procedure. So the cost of fencing of 1 meter will be 3800 upon 100. After cancellation you will get rupees 38. Then after the cost of fencing of 2100 meter will be. The cost of fencing of 2100 meter will be 2100 into 38. Now look here, 2100 into 38. We will apply the multiplication procedure. 8 into 0 0, 8 into 0 0, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Okay. Now 3 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. After adding you will get 0 0, 8, 6 plus 3 9 and 7. Meaning is the cost of fencing of 2100 meter will be 79,800 rupees. 79,800 rupees is the cost of fencing of 2100 meter. Okay. 79,800 rupees is required answer for your required question. Okay, again, my dear student, your next question is: a vacuum cleaner cleans a floor area of 10 square meter every 4 minutes. How much floor area does it clean in half an hour? Your question is: a vacuum cleaner cleans a floor area of 10 square meter every 4 minutes. How much floor area does it clean in half an hour? My dear student, as you know very well, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Okay. Now we will apply the solution. What is the solution for this question? In 4 minutes, vacuum cleaner cleans area of 10 square meter. In 4 minutes, vacuum cleaner cleans area of 10 square meter. Okay. Now we will find out. In 1 minute, vacuum cleaner cleans area of 10 upon 4 meter. Okay. 10 upon 4 meter square. 10 upon 4 meter square area cleans by vacuum cleaner in 1 minute. So 10 upon 4, 10 upon 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. This is 5 upon 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. It equal to 5 upon 2 meter square. Okay. Now in 30 minutes, vacuum cleaner cleans area of, in 30 minutes, vacuum cleaner cleans area of 5 upon 2 into 30. 2 1s are 2 and 15 2s are 30. 2 1s are 2, 15 2s are 30. Again 15 5s are 75. 75 square meter. The meaning is 75 square meter area cleans by vacuum cleaner in half an hour. 75 square meter area cleans by vacuum cleaner in half an hour. My dear student, this is your required answer for your required question. My dear students, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.